In this video, we'll see what is the scope in Python. As I have defined here, it is a variable only available from inside the region it is created, and globally and locally scope versions of variable can be created. So here, the scope has two versions, which is locally and globally. So that is what I have defined here, local and global. So let's see what is a local. So local variable is nothing but a variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function. So we'll see the implementation. Let's create a function which is local var, and here I'll give a variable name equal to Carlos, and I'll print name, and I'll print this same name outside the function as well. So if I try to run it, Python scope.py, so it will throw an error, which is name error. Name is not defined, because so we are declaring a variable inside the function. So what is a local variable here? A variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of that function. So this variable name belongs to this local var function. Okay, you cannot call or print this name outside the function. So that is what a local variable mean. So this is a local variable which can be accessed inside the function but not outside the function. So I am accessing this outside the function. The name variable I am accessing outside the function. So that is the reason why it is throwing me an error. So this is what a local variable is. So let's see the global variable. Okay, we'll create another function which is global var, and here I'm not passing any arguments here. And here what you have to do is a variable created in the main body of the Python code is a global variable. So main body in the sense it's not inside the function. We have to create just outside the function. Okay, that is called as a global variable. We are declaring the variable globally. Okay, not within the specific function, but it is declared globally, in the main body of the Python code. So we'll give age equal to 27, and here I'll print age, and I'll print age here. So here, as you can see, we are printing this age locally as well as we are printing this age globally. That will print without any errors. Okay, because global has global variables are available at any scope, global or local. Okay, so if I try to run it, okay, let me remove this, and it will give me 27. Okay, so suppose if I let me remove this, and if I give the same variable name here, which is name equal to some other name, let's say Wilson. Okay, and here I'll call the function local var, and I'll print the name here. So here what am I doing is I'm passing a global variable here, I'm passing the local variable here, and I'm printing the name here, and here I'm calling the function local var, and I'm printing the name here. So what will be the output now? Will it print the Wilson first, or will it print the Carlos first? So let's see. Clear Python scope.py. If you can see here, it is printing the Carlos first. Okay, local variable is being printed first because we are calling the local variable first, and then we are calling the Wilson. Okay, name equal to Wilson. And here if you can see, these two are separate variables. Of course the name is same, but they are treated as separate variables. Okay, so this is how we can differentiate the naming variables using the scope. Okay, a global variable or a local variable. Okay, so the first variable which is printed is Carlos, and the next variable which is the Wilson. Okay, so now let me comment this out, and let's say have a local variable. Okay, let me comment this out as well. Diff func, and here I'm giving a variable which is var equal to 27. Okay, so I'm passing a variable which is 27, and I'm printing this variable here. Okay, I want to print this variable here as well outside the function. So this is a local variable. Okay, as we have learned earlier, local variables cannot be accessed outside the function. Suppose if I want this local variable to be accessed outside the function, there is a solution for this, which is to change this local variable to a global variable. So how can we do that? Just by passing the global keyword, global, and we have to pass the variable. What is a variable here? What is the variable name? Which is var, and that's it. It will give me the var equal to 27 two times. So here I have not called the function as of now. I'll call the function here, and if I try to run it, here you can see it is printing 27 two times. Okay, in this way you can change the local variable into a global by passing the global keyword as well as the variable name. So this is all about local variables and global variables. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like and share this video.